Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to the daily recap video. Just going to make a quick little video recapping how today went. We will start off with this Express funded account here. Ended the stream around down about $300, I think, on this account here. You can see not real happy with the entries that I took here on this account today. I kind of shorted the bottom here. As you can see, we missed the break of the VWAP. First of all, we missed this nice setup here. This push up. So we swept the lows, swept the low, pushed up, pulled back into this gap, pushed back out of there. I missed that trade on this account. Then we traded back below the VWAP. Once again, should have entered short somewhere in here. Didn't. And then we waited for it to kind of go down to the bottom, and we shorted this bottom 3 times, I think, maybe more. One short. That was a long, and this was a long. So kind of the rules on this account are if we have 2 losing trades in a row, we won't take any more trades. So we had 1 loser, a break even, a winner, and then we had a loser and a winner, and then a loser, a break even. I'm sorry, I didn't count this winner. A break even, lost 10, but we're going to call that break even. Made 10, but consider that a break even also. So continue taking little trades, and as you can see, I'm just not pulling the trigger where I need to be, right? So right here, we saw this little push back up. We saw volume come in real heavy. Even on this trade, I took it for the break of this candle. And to me, you know, I really should be in here for the break of the body. So this entry was okay. Should have been holding that the entire way. So we took a little $270 trade there to get us pretty much back to even. Down $14. So I feel okay about the fact that we're back to even on the day on that account. But certainly some missed opportunities. And that's some things that we're going to be working on next week. We're going to be much more aggressive going into next week on this account to try to build it up. So the equity in the account sits at $833. So between Friday and then this week, we're up $833 on that account. So still not horrible. The goal obviously is to get this account to pay out. And we're really going to need probably $2,500 in this account before we can take a payout. So not going to rush things. If we just do $200 next week per day, then we'll be at $1,800 in the account. And then by the next Friday, we should be able to take a payout. So we did use the trade copier today on the Apex accounts right here with Trade of 8. We were up $459 in 3 accounts. So there's account number 27. 29 is the one that we already have funded. We're I guess you guys can't even see that. Anyways, it's fine. We're over the threshold in 29. 30, $464, and 31, $459. So 3 accounts, we'll just call it 460. So 460 times 3 on these Apex accounts today. And the equity in these accounts, we'll show you that. $50,459 on 31. $51,112 on 30. And then 27 is just a little bit in drawdown, $49,942. So it's quite possible that we could take all 3 of these accounts to funding by next Friday. That would kind of be my goal. You know, we may lose 1 or 2 of them. You never know, right? I mean, it's just the way it goes. I am going to trade copy them next week, though. So if we have a few solid days, we should be able to get these to where they need to be. So potentially by next Friday, we could have 7 funded accounts. Currently, we have 1 Apex, 1 Bulanox, and 1 Topstep account. But today, we did manage to add another Bulanox. So we got this account across the threshold here. $53,010. We're up $655 on this account today, so that's nice. This $40 loser, this is just me taking a trade on this one. It's already over the profit target threshold. I just used a mini on it just to enter in and exit, just to get a trading day in on it. And we're not going to fund any of these new accounts until next Friday, and we will start using them all together the following Monday. And obviously, we're going to have to get $2,600 in profit before we can even consider taking a paycheck from them. So we'll give ourselves 3 weeks to get it there at $200 a day. We'll give ourselves 3 trading weeks to get there. We might get there sooner if we do great. We're not going to push it. We're going to just target $200 to $300 a day, trade copy all the accounts, and go from there. So if you guys haven't already, I would like for you to subscribe. If you're watching this video and you're not yet subscribed, please do so. It doesn't cost you anything. We're trying to get 200 subscribers this week if possible. And, help me out with that. We are live 5 days a week, London and New York. I did miss a few London sessions last week, guys. I'm not feeling good last week. Today, feeling much better, probably 75, 80%. I try to put on a smile while I'm streaming and just push through it. But, this last week was pretty tough. Luckily, didn't really affect our trading. We didn't have any negative days at all. All 5 days, green days. So see if we can keep that momentum going into next week and push on forward and get these accounts funded and start making some money. That's what we want to do. So if you guys are interested in trading futures, we do have a link in the description for Bulanox and Apex. Apex currently has 50% off. Bulanox is still at 90% off. Coupons and links are below for those. So if you're interested, just check that out. That does help the channel, and we do appreciate it. But until next time, hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you live on Monday. Thanks.